Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Blockchain Modi and today's video is a follow-up to the SMRT Algo breakdown we did a while ago. The video got a ton of love and also a lot of questions, so I figure out let's go deeper. Why? Because people still think SMRT Algo is only for one type of trader, but the truth is this tool has layers. It's actually built for everyone, from total beginners all the way to seasoned pros. So today's I want to show you how SMRT Algo works across three different trader types: the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced one. And I'll walk you through real chart setups that match each style, so you can see how the tool evolves as you evolve. Alright, let's start from the foundation. Beginners, if you're just stepping into the trading world, you don't want to be overwhelmed with complex indicators with acronyms or 20 different confirmations. You want a clean, clear entries, and SMRT Algo nails that with just the buy plus and the sell plus signals turned on, plus auto-calculated stop loss and take profit zones. You can trade with confidence, even if you're only been in the game for a week. I'll show you an example. This is the Bitcoin chart as you'll see, printed a buy plus signal just after a solid bounce of a minor support. The bot instantly mapped out the entry, stop loss, and 3 take profit. The take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3. All you had to do was follow the structure and stick to your plan. No second guessing, no messy charts, just logic and discipline. And that's how beginners build confidence without getting wrecked by information overload. Now, once you get some experience under your belt, things change. You're not longer just following, you're starting to look for deeper confidence. This is where the intermediate traders start to shine, and that's where SMRT Algo supplies demand zones become a game changer. These zones show up directly on your chart and acts like magnets for price. Perfect for waiting patiently for clean entries. I had this Ethereum trade recently where price dropped right into a demand zones that SMRT marked out, then paused it and give us a buy plus trigger instead of blindly buying. I watched the price react inside the zone, then took the entry. When the momentum confirmed the take profit 2 was hit with precision, that's the difference at this level. You're not just reacting, you're planning. The signal is there, but the zone gives it weight. And this combination of signal plus context is what gets you consistency. So now, let's talk about the advanced trader, the person who's been through a few bull runs and understands the market structure and trades based on narrative and manipulation. This is where SMRT Algo becomes a full smart money trading suit. When you turn on tools like change of character and break of structure, the POS and liquidity zones, it's like unlocking a new language. Suddenly, you're not just seeing signals, you're reading the story behind the candles. I'll show you a perfect Bitcoin example. We hit equals high, clear liquidity up top, and then a sweep followed by a strong change of character. That's why my sign to flip pious. A sell plus triggered right after the break, and the price fell beautifully to the mapped out take profit zone. This wasn't luck, this was a structure. For pro traders, SMRT isn't about spoon feeding, it's about clarity, precision, and making high conviction decisions faster. And that's really the point of this video, to show that SMRT Algo isn't one size fits all tools. It's scalable, whether you're just starting with buy and sell signals or you're breaking down liquidity, grabs, and order flow. SMRT gives you the visual edge and it grows with you. You don't need to switch tools as you level up. You just evolve how you use. Beginners get structure, intermediate get confidence, pros get narrative clarity, all in one setup. So here is what I recommend. If you're just starting out, keep it simple. Buy plus, sell plus, and use the stop loss and take profit zones the bot gives you. Trade small, stay patient. If you've been around a little longer, start paying attention to the supply and demand zones and wait for signals that line up with those key areas. And if you are advanced, flip on smart money concepts, dive into the POS and the change of character, liquidity sweeps, and build trades with storylines. that actually make sense. You'll start to see the market way clearer than before. I've dropped the link to SMRT Algo down below, and yeah, that's my affiliate link. It gives you a discount, supports the channel, and helps you get started on whatever trader path you're on. Whether you're a beginner looking to stop guessing or a pro looking for a cleaner setup, SMRT has something for you. If this breakdown helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your current trade level, and tell me how you are using SMRT right now. Are you sticking with the basics? Are you deep in the SMC? I want to hear it. So subscribe if you want more content like this. I'll catch you in the next one. Trade smart. Peace.